Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and it is, 9-ish on a Saturday morning, and I have received my Hungry Harvest box. So, as promised, I'm going to unbox this for you. Just a few details about Hungry Harvest. There will be a referral link below. It is not an exclusive referral link. Everyone who signs up gets one, so it's not some special thing that I'm getting some special deal on or anything. You can use that to sign up if you'd like. You could just go sign up on your own if it's what you're interested in. Whatever, not a big deal. I think you get like $5 or $10 off. Right now, Hungry Harvest, and this is per the little survey on their website, it seems they deliver in Charlotte, DC, Delaware, Detroit, Maryland, Miami, Northern Virginia, Philadelphia, Raleigh, Richmond. So I think those are the areas they deliver in, and then they also have an option to select none of those areas. So if you don't live in any of those areas, I think they're collecting data on where the next spot to set up location is. So definitely put that into the website if it's something you're interested in. So yeah. As far as the box goes, it comes in 3 different sizes. There's a mini, there's a full, and there's a super. We get the full, it's just 2 of us, and we tend to cook every single day. And that gets us by pretty well. And we get the mixed one where you can get fruits and vegetables. There is one where you can get just vegetables, and there's also a box where you can get just organic produce as well. So as I said, we get the full, and this is $25. And this week I've also added on 3 items. I've added on avocados, bananas, and broccoli. So one other important detail to mention is that I think with the full and the super box, you are allowed to customize the items that come in your box. I don't think you get to customize the items to as grand a degree when you get the mini box. I have a girlfriend that gets the mini box, and she says that she's not able to move things around as well in hers. So just something to keep in mind, and I guess it just all depends on how versatile your tastes are with fruits and veggies. They do have a little list on their website where you can place things that you hate. That way, even if they're meant to come in the box, they can sub out another item. So that's something you could do, and that is, I think, maybe all of the info I have to give you on the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. It comes pretty sturdily packed. So, first we have on top kale. I got 2 bunches of kale in the box this week. I've been getting 2 bunches of kale every week. Well, we get the box every 2 weeks, and that's another thing you can customize, whether you want it every week or every 2 weeks. But we get it every 2 weeks, and I've been getting 2 bundles of kale, and it has been lasting me nearly through the week. Before it goes bad, it's pretty much gone. So I love kale. I could just eat kale all the time. Just gonna go ahead and stick this stuff on the table. We also got 1 head of lettuce. Now I got this specifically because in the notes it said it was probably going to be some sort of hydroponic thing. So that means it's got roots on it, which I'm excited about. I'm going to go ahead and get this, once we use it, I'm going to get the roots going in water. That way once it's nice and warm out, because right now it's teetering between warm and cold, you know, that early spring vibe, but once it's warm, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the herb garden on my deck and grow myself some lettuce, because why not? So I'm excited about that. Normally I wouldn't go for a softer lettuce like that. I think that those kind of lettuces can be a little soft for me, not crisp enough, but if it's got roots, it's basically more free lettuce, so why not? Then we have some asparagus. We have 2 things of mushrooms. Love mushrooms. We have a very bizarrely shaped cucumber, and that's generally why you end up getting things in this box, is the grocery stores don't want it because it's funny shaped. Either that, or the growers just grew more than they needed, stuff like that. Oh, runaway piece of kale. And then we have some kiwis. It's excited to see that in there. Can't wait to add these to smoothies. We have Brussels sprouts, which I have been getting in the box pretty much the last several weeks. I've just really been enjoying roasting them up. Now, online it said you would get a winter squash. It didn't say which particular one you would get, and it looks like we got an acorn. Then we have the avocados, which I said I added on to my order. The broccoli, which I added on. A pound of tomatoes, which I did not add on, but Austin has had some dental work done and he can't eat hard foods. So I figure once he can eat again, he might want a sandwich type of deal. His bread's still soft, and a tomato sandwich would be a good option. This is a cantaloupe, right? It's not a honeydew. Yeah, a cantaloupe. I always confuse the two of those. Got a cantaloupe because I figured that would be a nice transition food for him too, and he likes melon a lot. And then lastly, a whole boatload of bananas, because we've been going through a lot of bananas. Since he can't eat solids right now, he's having lots of smoothies. So I literally have bananas over there that I got in an Instacart order because I figured it couldn't have too many. And then we have these, which I'm glad I got the ones from Instacart that were from Giant, I think, because these are pretty green. So by the time those ones are done getting used, these will probably be yellow or spotting and ready to go. So that is everything that came in my Hungry Harvest box. I will grab the camera and show you this clip in just a minute, but I wanted to talk about all of this just once more. I know there are other boxes out there that do this rescued produce type of model, and I'm not going to talk you out of any of them. I don't know that any one of them is better than another one. If you are interested in getting your produce that way, do it. I don't care what box you get. I chose Hungry Harvest specifically because I know they do a lot of good in the Maryland area, which I live in Maryland, so that's kind of important to me. And I haven't had any issues with the service, especially their customer service. Anytime something comes in the box and it's a little bit wonky, they'll give you a partial refund right away. They are not fussy. They're so easy to work with. So, and their turnaround time, even on weekends sometimes, is so quick. They get back to you so quickly. So I just love the service. If you want to get one of the other ones, go for it. I'm all for getting the rescued vegetables and fruit. So definitely do that. And I also want to mention that once spring and summer come along, I tend to skip more boxes just because we have our local farmers market, and to sell at our local farmers market, you have to grow in this county. And so there's actually a really good variety of fruits and vegetables. I mean, not so much fruit, but definitely vegetables. And I would prefer to support the local farmers, so I usually will buy in spring and summer from the local farmers market instead of doing the rescued produce thing. But I do think that the rescued produce pathway is definitely better than just going to the grocery store and picking out anything. So, I mean, ebbs and flows, ebbs and flows. So you got to do what's best for your life and what's best for the way you want to live your life. And maybe you don't even have a local farmers market. You might only have like a super Walmart or something you shop from. So you got to do what's best for you. But also, I think this is a great way to get good produce. Keeps it from going bad or going to a landfill. And I think it's relatively affordable. I don't know that I could get all this at the grocery store at the same price, to be honest. So let me take the camera and give you a little flipperoonie. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that I was able to give you a little more information about how Hungry Harvest works. Like I said, I have the link below. I think you get $5 or $10 off your first box. Even if they don't have a box in your area, you can input your zip code online so they know that you're interested in your area. And like I said, there are other rescued produce boxes online that you can always look into as well. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. This workout set is from Girlfriend. This was a limited edition color, but it is the pullover bra and the high-rise leggings. If you're interested, I do have a link to Girlfriend down below. It's another one of those links they give everyone that signs up, so I don't actually know what the discount offer is on that, but yeah, live in my Girlfriend leggings. And I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.